Hello friends, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to trade in binary options. I'll be sharing my live trading session and sharing important tips. So if you still are losing in binary options, this video is good for you. Make sure to watch till the end, since I'll be sharing important tips. And if you want to learn more, you can message me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description. And if you're curious about the broker I use, the broker is Pocket Option, and I'll link the link to the broker in the description as well. So let's get started. Okay, so right here I took my trade with the buyers. So let's see how it closes. So that was a win. So the reason I took the trade, as you can see here, we have an uptrend, then we consolidated at this point right here. So this is called a bullish flag, this one right here. Then once the bullish flag has been broken, we expect an uptrend. So once we came back to this demand area, we could have confidently taken a trade with the buyers. So if you want me to cover the bullish flag in detail and how you use it in binary options, you can comment down below. Flag, just comment the word flag, and I'll make a video in showing you how you use it and explaining you how it works. So let's continue. So I took another trade with the sellers. So right here we are in a demand area, and then we have this candle pattern. As you can see, after we are forming a green candle, red candle, green, red, green, red, green. So we expect a red candle, and I took it with a little bit of margin of safety. So let's see how it closes. Okay, that was a win because of our margin of safety. So another reason I took the trade is because right here I'm expecting a head and shoulder. So I don't expect these buyers to go past this area right here. So this will be our shoulder, our head, then our shoulder, and we expect the sellers to enter and keep on pushing the market to the downside. So let's look for another trade. So guys, I took a trade right here with the sellers. This will be my last trade. So the reason is very simple. So we have this double top right here. We broke the neckline. Okay, that was a winning trade. So if you haven't watched my double top video where I explain this pattern in details, you can, okay, I'll leave the link in the description. You can go watch it. But as we can see here, we had this uptrend, then we formed this double top right here. We broke the neckline. This is the neckline. We broke it. Then once we got back to this, let me zoom in. Once we got back to this supply area, I took a trade right here, and it closed as a winning trade. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, if you want me to make a video focusing on, okay, or a detailed video on bearish and bullish flags, make sure to leave a comment, write flag, and I'll make that video next. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.